and welcome to the show. Hello, welcome to the set of It's Erin. Live on location. Hi guys, and welcome back to It's Erin. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful to have you guys here. Today I thought I'd make something that's really easy to make in the Instant Pot. I've been wanting to make it for a while, and I just think that it is going to be something great that if you don't know what you're making for Christmas dessert, this is so easy. So I'm going to make Instant Pot bread pudding, and it's just so easy. So first I'm going to start with 3 eggs. So I'm just gonna put that in here. And you know what? I love doing these recipes in the Instant Pot because you just throw it all in and put it in the Instant Pot and you're just instantly amazed. I love that. So, I mean, this is so easy and you can impress your friends and family with these recipes. It's so neat. So after that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of white sugar. So 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup of white sugar. After that, I'm gonna add 1 cup and a 1/4 of half and half cream. So just put it in there. After that, I'm going to add my spices. So I have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I've also got 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then lastly, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm gonna put all of the liquid ingredients in here and I'm going to whisk it up. Okay, I'm gonna whisk it all. So after I've whisked my liquid ingredients, I am going to add a 1/2 cup of walnuts, okay? And I am going to add a 1/2 cup of golden raisins. Because my bread has brown dark raisins in it anyways, I've decided to go with the golden raisins. So I'm just gonna add it into the mixture. I'm gonna mix that all up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the bread into here. And I'm just gonna have it like soak up all that liquid, you know, just before I put it in the springform pan. Like I said, this is such an easy recipe. You're gonna like impress your friends and family with this. They're gonna go, oh my God. And you know what? That's why I always started using the Instant Pot, because some of these things, like, you know, you go to someone's house and you're like, oh my God, you made this cheesecake? And then when you actually try to do it yourself and it turns out amazing, you sort of impress yourself. And then you're like, wow, I can do this. And that's why I love to make these videos for people that want to try things. And I just want to inspire you. Like, if I can do it, then you can do it too. Right? So, and it turns out amazing, and just go for it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once I've got the bread into my springform pan, I am going to cover it up with some tin foil, just so that when it's so moist in the Instant Pot, I don't want it to get all wet in the inside. So what I did was I added 2 cups to the bottom of my Instant Pot. I also added my trivet there, just so that it has something to sit on. I am gonna pop it in there like this, okay? And what I'm gonna do for this recipe is I'm gonna cook it on manual for 30, let's do 30, manual for 36 minutes. And once it's finished, we're gonna do the slow release method. So we're just gonna let it release the pressure by itself. I've just gotta find the lid. Oh, here it is. Here is the lid. So I'm just gonna seal that up. Don't forget, I always mention on my other videos that if you're having trouble with your Instant Pot starting to count down the numbers, it could be the rings in the seal in your lid. So make sure that you're replacing those often so that it is sealing, because it won't start the countdown until the Instant Pot is actually sealed. Because see how simple this is? after our bread pudding finally finished, we did the natural release method, and it actually, all of the pressure was released at 15 minutes. So we were able to open it up. It looks absolutely amazing. It's warm and delicious. After that, I did make some nice rum sauce to put over top of our bread pudding. All I used for the rum sauce was 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar, 1/3 of heavy cream, like whipped cream, and if you want, I added rum to it. So you can add a tablespoon of rum, or you can add a little bit more depending on how much rum you like. I was also gonna say that you can add rum to the bread pudding itself, just depending on if you wanna add rum to it or not. And then as well to the sauce, I also added 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I have my bread pudding here. This is one of the desserts, not like cheesecake where you actually serve it warm. So I actually don't have to let it cool before I try it. And actually it just looks so beautiful. It's just gonna be beautiful at your Christmas dinner. So just let me try it, okay? I did add the rum to it, so, because I like rum, but you don't have to, right? I am in studio here with a live studio audience, so yay! Wow. And with a nice glass of wine. Wow, the bread, the raisins, the walnuts, the rum sauce. Your guests or yourself, you are just gonna love this, and it's so easy. Wow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this has been a challenging year for everybody. I wanna thank you so much. Thank you, and just keep spreading the joy and spread the light, and I wish you all a very happy holiday season, and you're gonna love this one. And I'll see you again on the next It's Erin. Bye! I also wanted to say on behalf of all of us here at the It's Erin show, it's actually me, but I want to wish you all a very happy holiday season. In the future, there'll be a live audience. Okay, the bread pudding finally finished. I just want to let you know when you do the release method. No, when you do the, what method is that called?
Natural.
Oh, the natural.